Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, if any lighter's going to do it, it's that one.
How about we sing and then we'll do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday to you.
Good and blown out.
Quick. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Go ahead, Ginge.
Okay, get a pink one. If this one, here, ready? Pull on. Pull one, Ginger. Hey, John. Ginger, you want it, sir?
Whoa!
Oh, did that one come? Sweet thing. That one come? She likes to hold them. Little by little pieces. Is that? Oh, fun!
Yeah,
Oh, they want to pick up some toys?
Ooh.
I think I'm going to put this
There's a ball. There's like a power structure.
He seems to like he's giving you this time. He's not rushing off.
I think that's how they will ever be.
Just seeing
It's unfortunate liability. A lot of civil lawsuits are going to owe a lot of money. Well, I'm glad you're well. That's bottom line. Mini wrapping paper. It's the perfect match to your stuff. The same, ooh.
Look at this.
Wow, yeah, you like that. What is that?
Snow.
It looks like snow. Let's see what this says. Happy birthday, Samantha. Love, Mom, and Papa.
It's so funny.
It's so fun.
It's so funny.
So exciting. Yes. What is it?
A baby.
It's a baby.
I didn't know what it is.
You don't know what it is?
I know what it is.
Oh, you know what it is. What is it?
It's a book.
It's a card. God, it's so hard. What is it? What's on the front? Dora boots. What are those? Stickers.
You need to put
You want to read it?
No, you need to put stickers.
You want to put stickers? Okay. Should we open your present first?
No.
You want to do stickers first? Okay.
I feel stick.
You won't be able to read what the card says if you put the stickers on.
Yeah.
Paper. What's that? What's that? A siren hat?
What's inside now?
Let's open it up and put it on.
I know.
It's a real siren hat. instead of the plastic one you used to wear.
Oh,
Are you a fireman now?
Put it on so Daddy can take a picture.
I know that for you.
You're not a fireman?
No,
Do you want to pretend?
Are you a fire girl?
No, I'm not the big girl.
Oh, you're a big girl.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Wanna
put it
try
on.
that?
You can open the rest. Ready? Here, where are you?
It's sesame.
It's sesame.
I love sesame.
Who does?
Me. I didn't know
Oh,
it.
this is the daddy part. Tools. It's your own tools to help Daddy.
Daddy, I have my tools in the book.
Now you have your own
Should I
tools
open
now?
them up so you can play with your tools?
I will.
Okay.
I will.
Let's see how we open it.
I got that thing.
What's that? It's a big.
Look. Look. You see him?
Open it like that. Ooh.
With
Book. What's over here? Ooh, it's a doodle pad and crayons. How cute. I hadn't thought about that till just now. Oh, the crayons. What a cute little bag. It'll be perfect. Yeah. Let's put them in here so you don't lose them. Color?
It's a coloring book.
It is. It's so cute. It's perfect. Okay. And use it. Put crayons in it and we can use it. Perfect.
You need a one of these two.
What should we draw?
You need a one.
What should I draw?
No. You need a draw and go back home.
I'm going to go back home.
No, you need to draw first.
Okay, what do you want me to draw?
A circle.
Circle.
I think she's not asking for hard things.
You need to go back home now.
I need to go home?
Yeah.